after hitting a winner. I love not having to pour my own drink.
Hello there! Imagine wanting your favorite drink and only having to press a few buttons from the comfort of your lazy boy to get it. You can stop imagining now. The digital drink mixer does just that. The digital drink mixer is a user-friendly drink mixing apparatus that allows the user to customize their drink. The possibilities are endless. Whether it be kids wanting a sweet concoction of 2 different flavors of Kool-Aid to adults simply wanting their favorite mixed drink, the digital drink mixer does it all. The user is able to choose from 2 separate liquids and their desired amounts of each.
The digital drink mixer can be yours for only 4 easy payments of $99.99. Shipping and handling not included. Some assembly may be required. Electricity not included. Please don't drink and drive.